Hi viewers, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll try to write a Python program to identify a given number is odd or even. So there are multiple approaches or multiple solutions to this particular program, but we are considering this solution using very simple modulus operator. So if you see, any number can be divided by 2 and say whether this particular number is odd or even. So if by dividing by 2 and the remainder is 0, then it is an even number. If it is 1, then it is an odd number. We are following the same approach here. Here n, we are taking n modulus 2 will return 0 if it is an even number, will return 1 if it is an odd number. So this is a simple code. So if n is n mod 2 is 0, then it is an even. If n mod 2 is 1, then it is an odd. So using this line of code, we are taking input from the user, and here we are calling our function with the number that is keyed by the user. So if the number is 10, then the return is an even. If consider will enter an odd number and execute this code again. So here I am entering 13. So the entered value is an odd number. So this is one of the simplest ways we can find out the number is an odd number or even number. So that is all for this video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.